Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer XRP from KuCoin to Coinbase. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. So the first step is to log in into KuCoin, access your KuCoin account and go to the assets section. The following step is to select XRP withdraw, click on withdraw, then choose XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. The third step is to get your Coinbase XRP address, log in into your Coinbase account. Go to Assets, select XRP and click on Receive to copy your XRP wallet address. The second last step is to enter withdrawal details. Back in KuCoin, paste your Coinbase XRP address, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the withdrawal. The last step is to confirm and monitor transfer. Check your email for a confirmation email from KuCoin and monitor the transfer status until the XRP appears in your Coinbase account. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.